Hi everyone and welcome back to We Film Things. It has been a minute yet again, but this time we have a legitimate excuse in that we have bought a house. Although lockdown has not exactly been conducive to filming adventure-y type things. So Jack and I have both been really busy working, but also with moving recently. I'm not sure if that's a very good excuse for not posting videos, but it is a real one. So we're now officially homeowners. Yay! Oh my god, I've just got off the most exciting call. Our house purchase is completed and we are now officially homeowners. Don't have the keys yet, have to go get them, but this has been such a long time coming. It's now the beginning of July and we put in an offer on this house at the start of March. COVID has not helped it, not gonna lie, but we got there in the end and I couldn't be happier. This is so exciting. Jack is on a call, so he doesn't know yet. I've just gotten off the phone with the lawyers, so I'm going to go tell him.
Ew.
Guess who owns a house?
What, is it done?
Yeah.
I do, and you do.
We own a house. We're gonna have a house.
We have assets to our name.
Congrats! It's champagne day today.
Never thought I'd own a house.
Never. I have never lived in a house.
You've never been able to go upstairs in your whole life. Do you
Well,
even know how to go
we have a
upstairs?
duplex apartment,
Do you know
but...
do you know how to go upstairs? We'll have to put a child gate on so you don't fall down.
Look how steep this staircase is.
Alaska needs a child gate so she doesn't fall down.
Yay! Let's go get keys. We got our keys for the house last Friday. Oh my god, guys, it is my first time in our house as owner. Oh my god, I am so excited. Okay, empty house tour. We have a corridor. I've already moved one suitcase in, which is all I could carry. Then we have got like a living room, fireplace, joint together with a back room. And then this is kind of the dining area. I think we're quite keen to change this into a door to like go out into the garden because currently you go through the kitchen, which is here. Yes. Right, then we come upstairs and we have our one bedroom. This is the smaller bedroom. It's got a nice slanted roof, all of that. And then we've got the minuscule bedroom, which I think is just gonna be our study or office. You can't even see it because it's so small. There's a window, it's kinda, you can fit a single bed in there, I think. I think this is where the studio is gonna be, which is exciting. And then we have the master bedroom, which by the way is enormous. This is probably the size of both of our current rooms put together. So exciting, and we have moved out of our Manchester city centre flat. We have a 1.5 week overlap before our tenancy ends, which means that we could very casually move everything over. Hello, it's the next day. It's a Saturday and we are moving all of our stuff across. Jack is trying to dismantle some furniture. I'm gonna go dismantle my furniture on this side of the room. It's exciting! Got the last bits to go in the van.
There's no last bits.
Well, the last bits for this
today.
run, yeah. We've got a lot done today, though.
We did a good job.
We did a good job.
That was English.
We did a good job. In fact, we don't need the movers to take as much stuff as we expected them to, do we?
No, we did more than we expected.
Yeah, so pretty good job.
We do a good job.
We do a good job. What does this old truck make you think of? That's right, Namibia. If you haven't watched those videos, we're gonna link them down below. But one of our best holidays ever. Okay, I need to help Jack.
Driving a truck.
Jack's driving a truck.
Yeah. Out there where the creek runs, that's where you'll find me. Out there in the country. End of day one of the house. We built a couple of shelves. Can't remember anymore. Moved a lot of boxes in. Discovered the joys of the electric screwdriver.
That is actually the best thing that's happened today.
And tomorrow, an early start for IKEA.
It's my first day working from the house. We're waiting on a bunch of deliveries for appliances and stuff like that. So I'm in the house all day. We don't have internet yet, so I'm just hotspotting off my phone, which is not the most effective thing in the world, but it's working for now. But the internet guy should come today, which means we can move in. Obviously, because of COVID, we're both working from home. You can't just go sit in a cafe either, so internet is kind of the main thing we need to move in here. Oh my god, this is jokes. So somebody is literally taking the solid board off of the front of our house. Oh, there it goes. And it's gone. We were legit wondering what we were gonna do with that board. Right team, we're leaving the party for the day, so we've boarded up the windows with some DIY curtain substitutes. It's looking a little bit less messy in here. We've just had to clear everything so that the movers can make some sort of passage through here. And our hope is that they can get the sofa in, but chances are it's gonna be too big. Might have to stay in the kitchen. This is the corner that I'm worried about, getting it through there. Heading home for the night, aren't we?
Yes.
Ladies and gents, this is all that remains of our flat. Some dismantled furniture. This is our headboard. And let's see the bedroom. Ah.
This is where we'll sleep tonight, our drug den.
A little drug den. This reminds me of the first night. Our very first night here. We did have movers bring our bigger furniture over, and I was so pleased that the sofa fit in through the door. We really thought we might have to take a wall out or a window out to be able to get it in. It's the plant family going to their new home. And then it's pretty much empty here apart from that. We're now fully installed in the new house. Well, I say fully, but we're mostly living out of boxes at the moment. It's an interesting time to move because things are on really low stock. Generally, everyone's decided to do home improvements and stuff. So we're just trying to piece the house together bit by bit. But to give you the full picture, Jack and I moved up to Manchester just over a year ago. We had been living in London for 5 years and we'd been living in Manchester city centre, and we've really been enjoying living here actually. But the real reason that we decided to buy was that our rent in Manchester city centre wasn't that much cheaper than our London rent. Like, we got a lot more space than what you would for the same amount of money in London. But in terms of our monthly outgoings, the bills weren't that different to London, whereas house prices here are half of what they would be in London. So all of a sudden we found ourselves with the money for a deposit for a house, and it just seemed like the better option because it's a lot cheaper on a monthly basis as well than renting. And obviously you're putting that money back into an asset that you then own rather than down a black hole of corporate landlords. That's originally why we started looking to buy, and we started looking at apartments in the city centre. And then we looked at a couple of houses, and once you look at houses, you just can't go back because you can get a 3-bedroom house or you can get like a studio apartment. It kind of felt like a no-brainer, especially because I work from home most of the time. And at the moment, for the foreseeable future, we're all working from home. So we do need that space. This house doesn't have anything that like we were looking for. We wanted 2 bathrooms and a big garden, and this has neither of the above. But when we walked into the house, it just felt really good. I can't explain it. It's a bit like love at first sight, but it just gave you like a really warm feeling, and we could both really imagine living here, and we really desperately wanted it. So yeah, that's kind of the background. Today I'm going back to the apartment in Manchester to like just get it cleared out, and we'll be handing the keys over tomorrow, and then we're officially just in the one place. I'm currently sat on the floor of our bedroom, but if you look to the left of me, there is literally just boxes. But we'll kind of take you through decorating the house on the vlogs, I think, because if nobody else watches this, I know my friends will really appreciate it. So yeah, enjoy. Guys, we've got our first housewarming present.
Check it out. From the one and only Eddie. Eddie M Limited. rosewood mellow. Ready?
They're our estate agent, in case you're wondering. Teas and coffees.